50 Super Duty. I'm Sebastien, and I'm here with Roger from the Zenith factory. And we're up in the air. We're actually right next to the Mississippi right now. We're by Perryville, Missouri. We're south of St. Louis, coming back from the AOPA flying in Tullahoma. And this is Sunday, the 14th or 15th? Sunday the 15th. And this is the week before our big event coming up for the Zenith Homecoming event.
Bismarck traffic.
And that'll be our 28th annual fly-in, the Zenith Aircraft Open Hangar Days and Fly-In. And that's going to be on Thursday and Friday, September 20th and the 21st. And then we even have things ahead of it. What do we have right before it, Roger?
Well, we have a rudder workshop on Wednesday and Thursday. So we have about 10 rudders being assembled during those 2 days.
That's right. Yeah, that's great. And so Friday is our seminar day, and we have seminars all day on Friday. And starting earlier in the morning, we have a pancake breakfast. The local EA group is doing a fundraiser pancake breakfast. And so as early as 7:30 on Friday morning, come out for that. And then we have seminars starting at 9 o'clock on aircraft engine construction, aircraft construction, engine construction. Then we have avionics companies, Dynon, Garmin, Evolution, maker of this panel here. And a lot of different informative sessions. Earl Downs is coming in from Oklahoma. He's a 601 builder himself, and he has a LOTA to do transition training, flight training, and he'll talk about safety issues for light aircraft, inspections, pre-flight preparedness, and lots of good information like that. We also have Buzzy coming in from the Buzz Air Flight Academy to teach you about transition training and learning to fly sport pilot. Charlie Becker from EA is coming down as well. Teach you about all the resources available from EA as a builder. And so we got a lot of different things going on. We'll have lunch available also on Friday, and then seminars again in the afternoon. I'll read over here some of the participating companies that are going to be attending and participating at the Open Hangar Days. Like I mentioned, EA, Garmin, Kit Planes Magazine will be there. Mark Cook, the editor of Kit Planes, will be there personally both days to meet with the Zenith builders and to learn more about the whole Zenith community. Dynon Avionics, Quality Sport Planes, our West Coast reps will be out there. Ivan, who now runs Quality Sport Planes, is attending. And so those of you from the West Coast certainly get a chance to meet with him. HomebuildHelp.com, and that's John Croak, who puts together the useful videos, will be participating. Who else have we got? Continental Motors, Lycoming engines will be there also. So both Continental and Lycoming will be there. UL Power will also be there. Jabiru is planning to come out. Viking Aircraft also is planning to come out. So a lot of different alternative engines as well as old school engines and everything in between. So lots to learn, lots to see that way. And like I mentioned, Evolution will also be out there. Wheels and Wings, that's a builder assist facility. And I think Wallstrom Aviation, Brian from Wallstrom Aviation will also be out there. So, again, lots of good information, lots of things to share. The only other thing we also have are the insurance companies. Sky Smith Insurance will be there. And then for the first time of EMCO Insurance, Kim, the underwriter lead underwriter out of EMCO, will be there personally to meet with builders and to discuss, again, issues about aircraft insurance for aircraft owners. And then on Friday night, well, right before the dinner and the banquet on Friday night, we have the panel engine discussion. That's always a popular event, and basically it's a panel discussion. We get everybody sits down and has a good discussion on choosing the right engine for their home built aircraft, for the Zenith specifically, and knowing full well that everybody's a little bit different, has different issues. So that's always a popular topic, and that's at 4 o'clock on Friday evening. And then at 5 o'clock, they open the bar up, and at 6 o'clock, the dinner at the Elks Lodge for the banquet dinner at Friday night. And that's always just a lot of fun for everybody. We have a pretty good program that we try to put together, and everybody has a lot of fun together. And then on Saturday, and then before I forget, there is camping available on the field. Whether you're camping with your airplane or bringing in your camper or RV or anything like that, park it on the field. There's no cost to do that. We try to accommodate everybody really well. There are also hotels. I think the local hotels fill up, but close by. It's not a long drive if you want to find a hotel as well. And we'll work with everybody to make sure they have a good place to stay. And then Saturdays are flying activities, and that starts again on Saturday morning. We have the pancake breakfast, and then we have seminars all day long Saturday, as well as, like I mentioned, we have all these various companies, these vendors, happy to talk to you about how their technology and how their products will work in Zenith Aircraft and whether it's the right thing for you as a builder. And then of course, since we're at the Zenith factory, we also take the opportunity to maximize on to show you guys how to build your airplane. We have a lot of seminars on actual aircraft construction, introductory seminars on learning to build, the tools, the processes, and so forth. So it's just lots to learn, lots to do. All day Saturday, we also have a Zenith Aircraft show going on. So basically, all the aircraft that fly in get the opportunity for everybody to look at them, have a good look at them, and I encourage all owners and pilots of Zenith Aircraft to fly in to the show with your Zenith. Have us all have a look at it. It doesn't have to be a show quality airplane at all. Every airplane is a one-of-a-kind airplane, so we always look at all these different designs and what makes them unique. And we'll have judging on the airplanes, and that's basically it's by your peers, other builders and flyers. And then again, there's no first prize or last prize. It's everybody. There's a lot of different prizes, a lot of different categories, because we just like to look at. We think all home builds are great one-of-a-kind airplanes, so we always like to look at that. And so we'll be doing that on Saturday. What else do we have going on Saturday? We'll be doing some flying demonstrations as well. Right. And try to do some demonstrations, some short takeoff and landing demonstrations. What other kind of flying do you look at doing?
We might show some, just slow flights and stuff like that over the field and stuff like that. And maybe customers will go up and do some flybys. You can hear what different engines sound like. And
stuff. Yeah, the different engines, that's a good idea. And, we'll have a few planes flying into the event. I know Jan from Viking Aircraft Engines all the way from Florida is planning on flying up. Right. I know we were talking earlier about we had some builders coming in from as far away as Arizona and so forth. I know some guys earlier in the week were talking about flying in from Washington State, although I'm not sure about the weather. They're a little bit worried about the weather this week. So, but whether you're from close by or far away, come out, have a good time, and join us at the 28th Annual Open Hangar Days.